Creating and releasing Christmas songs is an excellent strategy for a music artist because they are some of the most streamed songs on streaming platforms of all time, and they become relevant every year. So it's a great way to have songs that keep getting streams year after year. And awesome news is they're really easy to make. If you want to make a song, say a cover version of a Christmas song that already exists, that's an awesome idea because people are already searching for these songs. And I had a full video walking through some public domain Christmas songs you can check out because you don't need to get any legal rights or permission to use these songs. You can just go and create these songs, upload them, and you're good to go. So that's a great idea. But maybe you want to create an original Christmas song. This is something I did last year. This is my song Neon Christmas, and I created this in just one day and released it the same day, just kind of on a whim to see what would happen. And it got nearly 5,000 streams in a month, completely on its own organically. I didn't do any promotion, just uploaded it to one of my playlists, and that was it. So if you want to do this, you want to create a Christmas song, how do you go about doing it? I'm going to walk you through this Christmas song that I made and how easy it is to make a Christmas song. Hi, I'm Reagan Ram with Orpheus Audio Academy. And real quick, before I get into this tutorial, be sure to grab my free rapid song finishing checklist, my mixing checklist in the description below. This walks you through a proven step-by-step system for creating professional quality music from home using the gear and plugins you already have, and also has some really nifty, compression and EQ cheat sheets in there as well. So grab this free guide. Just click in the description below or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. All right, so real quick, I'm just going to play this song so you can hear it, and then I'll break down how I created it.
Man's life touches so many other lives. When he isn't around, he leaves an awful hole, doesn't he?
What is it you want, Barry? What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down. Hey, that's a pretty good idea. I'll give you the moon, Barry.
That's part of my song. You can listen to the full thing on Spotify. Just go to look it up. Just look up Neon Christmas, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/Christmas so you can check it out. So let's take a look at this. So how did I create this? I created most of this song. Maybe this is kind of cheating, but I used a lot of sounds from Nexus, and I have a bunch of these free Christmas packs in here, and most of these actually don't sound all that Christmassy. Like this is actually a tropical house dream guitar that I'm using here. But I just thought it was kind of fun. But this one up here, Christmas, does have tons of Christmas sounds. So step number one to creating a Christmas song is trying to find some really awesome Christmas related sounds. So that could be, Christmas sound effects.
Merry
like this.
Christmas.
Kind of cheesy and goofy, but that's kind of what I was going for with this song. But also things like jingle bells. So the fastest way to make a song sound Christmassy is just add some jingle bells. Boom, you have a Christmas song. And right, you can have it be any genre you want, right? I'm trying to make this more of a synthwave song. So it's kind of a synthwave song plus Christmas. So whatever your micro genre is that you create with your music, whether it be like country or rock or something, you can just take your genre and then throw in some jingle bells, throw in some Christmas sounds, and then you're good to go. So you find some good Christmas sounds and maybe sound effects. I have like this fireplace as well here from like Nexus. Nice and Christmassy. And step 2 then is just to assemble a song, just create a normal song the way you'd normally go about creating the kind of music that you create. So this is kind of like my typical style of music that I make. It's kind of synth-wavy. Art. But then think maybe we can sub out some of those typical sounds that you use with maybe some more Christmassy sounds. And so that's kind of, I guess, step 3 is bells, bells, and more bells. Use lots of bells in your Christmas songs. So that's what I have going on here. That's more jingle bells. So another type of jingle bells here. There you go. There's some bells. I guess my final tip, this is kind of optional, but if you want to tap into that Christmas nostalgia, then consider using like some audio clips from old Christmas movies or something. That's what I did here in this song, as I used some clips from It's a Wonderful Life, as that's probably my favorite Christmas movie. And you can hear it here.
Strange, isn't it? Each man's life touches so many other lives. When he isn't around, he leaves an awful hole, doesn't he?
Please! I want to live again! Please! I want to live again! I want to live again!
What is it you want, Barry? What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down. Hey, that's a pretty good idea. I'll give you the moon, Barry.
Simply create the normal kind of songs that you would create, right? Whatever's easiest for you to create, so you can just put a song together. Find some Christmassy sounds to put in there, whether it's from Nexus or some other place, or you can just go to a sound effects place and find some Christmas sounds and sound effects to put in there. And then step 3 is bells, bells, and more bells. Throw some Christmassy bells in that song. Now, if you want to learn how you can use Christmas songs to really grow your streams and capitalize on this time of the year, then check out my video on the screen right now where I walk through how I promoted this song. Hint, I didn't really promote it at all, and it really took off and got a ton of streams. So click on that video, check it out, and I'll see you over there.
In his master's step he trod, where the snow